big things changed in Google Flow last week. And one of them, Google made it completely free. Let me show you both of them step by step. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic AI. And in this video, I am going to take you to the Google Flow, which recently got some good updates. Google Flow, for those who don't know, is a Google AI filmmaking tool, which was announced around a year ago in 2025. And this year, Google came up with more features like Google Omni Flash. You can try it by clicking here on Try Omni now. And if you are still very new and you are saying, oh, I even have not reached to this page, then let me quickly show you how you can. For that, you need to open internet browser and then you can simply search for Google Flow. And of course, there will be so many paid links. You simply need to ignore those. And here we have got this labs.google and then tool name is Google Flow. Once you reach there, you may require to sign up. And here we go. Now I'm gonna click again on Try Google Omni Flow. And then here it shows me what is new. So let's click here on what's new. And now it shows the capability of it. One such capability or upgrade, what we saw here is the video length is now 10-second long. Previously it was only 8-second long. Then there is multi-modal reference, which enable us to blend multiple image, character and voices. And then there is video to video editing, which is really nice. That lets you transform, restyle and tweak your existing video by simply text by text instruction. For example, you do not like the background, you can change the background. You do not like lightning, you can do that. Or you can add zoom and many more. Alright, so then here also you can see, the character is designed in another dress. And we can see the prompt here, which looks quite cool. Now let me actually quickly get started. And as I was mentioning, now you can create 10-second clip compared to 8-second or past. And you can also add audio and image references. Now let me click again on got it. And now here, you can also quickly get started using character. Now let me go here in scene and I'm gonna paste this following prompt here. And here you can decide, the kind of layout that you want. Let's say if you want to create a YouTube short, maybe then this kind of setting makes sense. And then here you can decide, what should be your video length. And the thing that I didn't like is as we increase the length of it, it is also consuming more credits. And here is our latest model, which is Omni Flash. I would recommend you to only start with creating one variant, because as you increase the number of variants, you're gonna see the credit consumption also increase. Now let me click go. And here we go. Here we can see the video start getting created. Now, one great thing about this Gemini Omni Flash is character consistency. For example, this is the video that we have created. Now let me go back here, and this time what I'm gonna do is I am going to add another clip, and I'm gonna add the following prompt, which is same scene, now make it just before sunrise. Google Flow was already great in making sure that the character remained consistent. Now this is a level up. And now if I see here, and here we can see we just created the same clip with a variation of what we have asked here. Now another thing that you may notice while creating these videos is agent mode. Until now, Flow was one prompt at a time, linear, slow. The agent plan across multiple steps. It gives you variation in parallel. It can do batch edit, tweak across every asset, and it auto-organize your project. It can even brainstorm dialogues for you. But the thing that I don't like about Google Flow is that the amount of credit. Even if you go with $20 plan, you will only be receiving 1000 credits, which I think is too low. I mean, let's say if you want to create this 10-second clip and you are not satisfied with it, and then you created 2 variants of it, so you are losing 60 credits in every 10-second clip. And let's say if we go for even higher quality like VO 3.1, you will be consuming 100 credits, which means that you only can create 10 of such videos, which is too low in my opinion. So that's a quick update regarding Google Flow. If you want a deeper breakdown of just the agent, drop it in the comment down below. If you like this content, subscribe to Technoholic AI, and I will see you in the next one.